Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yegane and today I have something different for you. In this video I want to paint something different. This is also made by 3D printer. It's plastic and it's a skeleton. So I just want to paint it and let's see what's going on. Let's go. So I'm done with the painting, and there we go. As you can see, it's not difficult to paint such things like for decoration, something like this, and it's so simple and easy. If you follow step by step my painting, you can do it exactly like this, even better. So this part painting is finished, and I'm gonna go to the next part to install something inside, and I'm gonna show you the final results again. After the painting, I'm gonna put two LED that they are red where the eyes spots, and I use the fog maker in order to make a fog. I'm gonna put a little bit water inside this bowl. It's look like bowl in order to make a fog, and then I'm gonna assemble the rest parts. The forehead I'll glue it because I don't want to open it anymore, and then I'm gonna turn it on. So simple and easy. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you enjoy this video and this object. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe our channel, drop a comment for me, and like this video. I'll see you in next video. Bye.